So there are cases where we received a data set, but the column name has some white spaces. And what could be the fastest way to get rid of those white spaces? So let's look at this example. So we have a data frame, a simple data frame, and it has two columns. One is A and one is sales numbers. But as you can see, the column name has white spaces before and after. And the best way or the fastest way to do is that we could use this janitor library imported as JN, and we could use its clean names method and input the data frame inside the clean names. And if you run it, you can see that the clean names, this method actually replaces those white spaces with underscore. Not the cleanest solution, but this is something you can do really fast.